Welcome. If you want to change refresh rate settings in your games on PlayStation 5, at the first you have to go for the settings. Then we have to move all the way down for save data and game app settings. Next, let's go for the game presence and then enter and find performance mode or resolution mode. Then enter one more time and just pick up the performance mode, and after that you can just simply go back. And after that, when you open the game, for example Call of Duty Cold War, in the settings of this game you will be able to set up the highest refresh rate. And yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.